Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we'll see how to install and uninstall apps on Samsung Smart TV. Before we get started, there are two things you should keep in mind. The first one is you should be connected to the internet. And second one is you should have enough space to install the apps. Now let's check the procedure. First, you will see how to install the apps on the TV. Take your TV remote and go to the apps icon on the home screen. This one, and select that. On this section, you will see different categories: editor's choice, movies, games, what's new. You can browse these sections and add any apps you want. Or if you want to search and install a specific app, go to the search icon at the top right and select that. Here you can type the name of the app you want to install and go to the tab. Select the install option. You'll get the open option now. You just have to select that. Now you can log in and enjoy the app. That's all. Now we will see how to uninstall or delete the apps completely from the TV. We usually do this when we are out of storage or when we no longer use a specific OTT subscription service. This is actually easy to do, but the option is not directly available. Take your TV remote and go to the app section on the home screen. Select that. Initially, I thought the uninstall option will be available when I click on the app. For example, when I click on this app, I thought the uninstall option will be available somewhere here, but it's not there. What we have to do is we just have to go back and go to the settings icon at the top right. Now on this page, we'll see all the apps we on our TV. We just have to select the app we want and choose the delete option. Do you want to delete this app? Yes. And just like that, we can choose any app we want and we can delete those apps. That's all. But please do remember that we cannot delete or uninstall certain pre-installed apps on the TV. It could be Samsung apps or it could be apps which are pre-installed on the TV as a part of any promotion or collaboration. For example, I cannot delete this Hotstar app. They say the basic set of apps on your TV cannot be deleted. And just like that, there are certain apps which I cannot delete. Even I can't delete Netflix app. So this is something you should keep in mind. I hope these tips are helpful to install and uninstall apps on your Samsung Smart TV. Do kindly let us know your questions or thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if this video is helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.